What's up friends, I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you a really easy 3-packet false shuffle or a 3-packet false cut. You can call it whatever you want to, but this is actually a 3-packet false shuffle in which you divide the deck of cards into 3 packs and you mix them up, and after the mixing, the entire deck is actually back in the order that it was in the beginning of the mixing. Which means you make these pack movements look like shuffle, but in actual reality, you are just rearranging them back to its original order. And as you know that this is a very good utility move for any card magic in which you need to shuffle the deck, yet you need to keep everything in order, and it can be one of those. And this is really easy because the handling is very easy, and it's also 3-packet, which means it would be super easy. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram shoutout goes to King Emery134. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the false shuffle looks like. Now as you can see, on the top of the deck I have this ace of diamonds, right? And on the bottom of the deck I have the ace of hearts. So ace of diamonds on the top and ace of hearts on the bottom of the deck. Okay, now as I give this deck a shuffle just like this, you can see that the ace of diamonds is still on the top of the deck and the ace of hearts is still on the bottom of the deck, right? So let's see how you can do this false shuffle or false cut. Okay guys, for doing this 3-packet false cut, you need to know 2 moves. The first one is the swing cut, which looks like this, and the second one is the charlier cut or the one-handed cut, which looks like this. Now obviously many of you or all of you knows the first one because that's a basic move and everybody does that, the swing cut. And the charlier cut, you might not know it. For that reason, I have a tutorial for the charlier cut, and the link to that tutorial will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that tutorial out before you start with this tutorial, because you need to know these 2 moves, the swing cut as well as the charlier cut. Okay, now assuming that you know both of these moves, I'm going to start the tutorial from here. So what you're going to do is, at first you're going to do a swing cut with almost 1/3 of the deck to your other hand, and you're just going to hold that pack in the straddle grip. Okay, this is the straddle grip. Then you're going to do another swing cut with the half of the rest of the pack from over here, and you're just going to keep it right on top of the first packet, but you're going to keep it out jogged. Okay, just like this, keeping it outside or out jogged. You're not going to keep it exactly squared with the top packet, you're just going to keep it outside. Okay, and then you're going to drop this 3rd packet on the top of the 2nd packet. Now you are in this position, okay, at the entire reverse position. This is the 1st packet, the 2nd packet and the 3rd packet. So if we have to put all of this back in order, this packet will be going on top of this packet, and the entire bottom packet, which is the 1st packet, will be going on the top of all these packets. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're just going to swivel this 2nd packet out from around this point, okay, from where your middle finger is present. You're just going to swivel that packet out, and you're going to swivel it from the top with your middle finger. Okay, using your middle fingers this side, you're just going to swivel it out, and after it almost comes out, you're just going to keep your thumb right over here. Okay, and then you're just going to grab this pack with your middle finger, index finger and your thumb, and you're just going to flip it just like this. Okay, and after you flip it, you're just going to remove this index finger and the middle finger, and then you're going to just leave this entire 2nd pack just with the support of your thumb. Okay, and use your thumb to flip this entire 2nd pack on the top of the 3rd pack. Okay, so right now these 2 packs are in order, but you have to bring this pack on the top of this pack, which means you're going to continue from this point. You're just going to do the charlier cut. Okay, and after you do the charlier cut, you are actually back in the original position from where you started doing the false cut. So one more time in slow motion, you're going to see what actually happens. First, one swing cut, second, another swing cut, then the third one is going over here. Now you're going to swivel the second packet out, turn it over and drop it on the top of the third pack, and you're just going to do a Charlier cut like this and drop the top pack on the top of these two bottom packs, okay, just like this. And as you do that, the entire thing is complete. Now in full speed it actually looks like this, okay. And that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing 3-packet false shuffle. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shoutout_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there. And the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet. And turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!